Lost your tabs after Firefox crashed or closed? Firefox has built-in ways to restore your previous session easily. In this video, we'll show you how to recover your lost tabs. Open Firefox. Click the menu icon, BAS, in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the General section, scroll down to Startup. Find the option Open Previous Windows and Tabs. Check the box to enable it. The setting takes effect immediately. Close and reopen Firefox to test if your previous session restores. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.